Worldwide, about 14% of those between the ages of 10 and 19 experience a mental health disorder. That's according to the World Health Organization. That being said, it's important to know the resources available for the youth in our communities. One local behavioral hospital has expanded their services to adolescents. More tonight from KPLC's Haley Jefferson.
Ocean's Behavioral Hospital began offering outpatient services to adults back in 2007. And nearly 17 years later, they are now offering outpatient services to adolescents between the ages of 12 and 17. Director of Outpatient Services, Marcel Gray, says with being out in the community and speaking with different providers, they saw a need for the youth in the community.
And so the provider's feedback was, hey, adolescence is a huge need right now. And so that's where we got the idea to start the program.
Gary says some adolescents are still having issues with adjusting to being back in school since COVID. She goes on to explain that they are still seeing bullying amongst adolescents as well.
Adolescents nowadays are dealing with a lot of things that we, myself, didn't have to deal with. A big factor is social media. The pressures of social media is a huge factor for adolescents.
Cheyenne Saeed, a therapist with Ocean's Outpatient Services, says she's found that for adolescents in particular, it's really difficult to put trust in a therapist, someone they don't know.
And that looks like doing things that they're interested in, playing games, asking them questions that aren't related to their mental health per se. Of course, I can draw anything from a conversation, but for them, it is gaining that trust and that rapport in order for them to feel comfortable opening up to me, because that's not easy for them.
And while you can experience mental health issues at any age, it's important to know what resources are available for you and your child.
And for more information on Ocean's Behavioral Hospital and Adolescent Intensive Outpatient Program, visit our website, kplctv.com. Coming up next, Max has your first